хабари наву хело хуш аз хориҷа. Дустони азиз, дар ин рӯзҳои аввали моҳи августи соли 2022 хабардор шудем, ки блогери ҷавони тоҷик Абдурозиқ дар филми ҳиндӣ дар жанри боевик ҳамчун гангстер нақш иҷро мекунад. Дар ин филми боливудӣ ҳунарманди машҳури кишвари Ҳинд Салманхон низ иштирок хоҳад кард. Бояд қайд кард, ки Абдурозиқ пайваста ба қуллаҳои нав ноил шуда истодааст ва ин нишонаҳои меҳнатдӯстиву самимона будани ӯро ва дар асл аз доштани маҳорати баланди санъаткорӣ шаҳодат медиҳад. аз ин хотир ба Абдурозиқ ширкати Акрам Мебел барои расидани ба ин қуллаҳои баланд муборакбодӣ мегӯяд ва дар корҳои эҷодиаш саодату муваффақияти беандоза таманно менамояд. Абдурозиқ фарзанди фарзонаи Тоҷикистони маҳбуби мо мебошад ва доимо дар баромадҳояш қайд менамояд, ки ӯ аз Тоҷикистон аст ва обрӯи кишвари моро ба ин васила дар сатҳи байналмилалӣ боз ҳам машҳуртар мегардонад. ширкати Акрам Мебел ба Абдурозиқ ба ин муносибат тӯҳфае омода карда истодааст ва тасмим гирифтааст бо қадам ранҷа кардани ӯ ба толори мо пас аз ба навор гирифтани ин филми зикршуда тақдим намояд. мо боварӣ дорем, ки рӯзе мешавад Абдурозиқ ҳунарманди пур ифтихори ҷовидонаи мардуми тоҷик ба мисли Далер Назаров, Кароматулло Қурбонов ва дигарон хоҳад буд ва ӯро дар ҷаҳон дар қатори ситораҳои аз ҳама маъруфтарин низ хоҳанд шинохт. биёед дӯстон, ба Абдурозиқ дар ҳамҷоягӣ бурдбориҳо таманно намоем. Тоҷикистон ба пеш!
अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो.
Thank you.
Well, hi, hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also good, but although everyone came to know that the burger, which is this word,
Yes.
you say something else. Will you like to say that?
Hello everyone. I'm Abdurozik. I'm from Tajikistan. I'm 18 years old. Now I'm living in Dubai. I love all my fans. I love India. I'm very happy. I see all you. I'm very, very happy. Thanks so much. Now my new song coming. First Indian song. This three language. Indian, little Arabic, little English. Now also one have romantic. This name song Habibti Habibti, one Pyar. This romantic song.
Okay, the genre is romantic.
Yes.
As well as you're also going to do a debut with Salman. So
Yes.
yeah, what it is all about? Will you like to share something about?
I'm very happy. Thanks so much for bro Salman Khan. I'm making movie with bro Salman Khan. This Kabhi Diwali.
Kabhi Diwali.
Yes.
So
Yes.
what is your role?
Baijan. This movie.
What is your role in that? Will you like to say something?
My role, like gangster.
Oh.
Yes, my role gangster, like this. No.
While doing the shoot, how did you feel being a gangster?
No, this very good, very good. This for actor, this more loving. No, this movie rolling more loving. Very good.
Okay, as well as with Salman sir, did any of the hook step? As usual, everyone know that Salman sir gives a hook step in every of the movie.
Yes.
You did any of the hook step? Yeah.
My hook step. No, in movie. Now I'm no making video movie after this, like after 1 month. This again India coming. After I'm making movie. No, for my song, my hug stop like this
Oh, wow.
for my song.
So where did the shoot happen? Will you like to say something about it? Where did the shoot happen? What were the locations and all?
Now I'm this after like after 1 month. Now I'm also no understand. After 1 month, I'm coming India again. After making for movie video.
Okay. And anything else will you like to say to your fans? Like why they should watch this music video? What is the interesting part in that?
Sorry.
What is the interesting part in this music video which you are going to do? Like which has been released, you are saying
This
that.
interest like making habibti like this making hook stop, my hook stop like this, making in for me in the music like this.
Kabhi Eid, Kabhi Diwali, working with Salman sir, how was your experience?
Sorry again.
Although the shoot is going to happen, so how excited you are?
I'm very happy. I'm going making video. This now I'm not after making video. This now I'm not going. This after. Now also I'm not understand little.
Okay. Will you like to sing that song which is going to come?
Which song?
The song which is going to release of yours.
This for all my fun. This surprise now. This no singing in the media. This surprise. This after video music coming in YouTube. After all my fans see.
You won't give any hint to the audience because they are very eager to know about it. Sing any other song of Salman sir.
Okay, I'm singing one line. Habibti, 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 Hayati, Habibti. Only this.
Sing some other song of Salman Khan.
Salmanхон.
Your favorite song. Your favorite song.
दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना, दिल दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझना, तक तक बोले तक डोले दिन रहना, ये पगला है समझाने से समझना.
When you came to the India, you met many persons just like Sadhguru as well as Sara Ali Khan.
Yes.
Is it so anyone is your favorite? You thought that when I will be coming to the India and I will be meeting this person.
My favorite for my favorite in the movie in the Bollywood, Salmanхон, Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Anything else which you would like to add up to the fans about this music video?
I'm talking my new song, Indian song coming. All loving this for all my fans. This music.
As we can see that for like speaking Hindi is very difficult for you. As we can see in the interview, how it was easy to sing a song in Hindi.
This speak Indian little difficult. No sing for my all my all my command have this teaching me IFCM teaching me this for music, teaching me like this helping me.
Will you like to say something in Hindi to all your fans?
I'm only namaste.
Okay, lastly, what will be your message to all the fans who are looking you?
कैसे हो?
वो सभी तो अच्छे हैं, बट लास्टली व्हाट विल बी योर मैसेज, लाइक योर सॉन्ग इज गोइंग टू कम, विल यू लाइक टू से देम समथिंग अबाउट इट एट द लास्ट?
Okay, I'm a little part I'm singing. Okay, I'm singing one song, Indian song. इन्ना सोरा क्यों रब ने बनाया, 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 आवा जावते में यारा नुमानावन, आवा जावते में यारा नुमानावन, इन्ना सोरा इन्ना सोरा इन्ना सोरा इन्ना सोरा क्यों रब ने बनाया, इन्ना सोरा इन्ना सोरा इन्ना सोरा इन्ना सोरा.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. I love you all. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. I love everyone.
होठों पे खिल गई कलियां बहार की, फूल से पर्दा कीजिए, हाँ फूल से पर्दा कीजिए, कहीं चुरा न ले चेहरे का नूर, ऐ मेरे हमनवा, ऐ मेरे हुजूर, ऐ मेरे हमनवा, ऐ मेरे हुजूर, हाँ चांद से पर्दा कीजिए, लगती हो किसी शायर का ख्याल, ऐसी सादगी तो है खुद में बेमिसाल, ऐसी सादगी तो है खुद में बेमिसाल, खुद से पर्दा कीजिए, हाँ खुद से पर्दा कीजिए, कहीं चुरा न ले चेहरे का नूर, ऐ मेरे हमनवा, ऐ मेरे हुजूर, ऐ मेरे हमनवा, ऐ मेरे हुजूर, हाँ चांद से पर्दा कीजिए, हंस दे आप गर बन जाए दास्तां, हंस दे आप गर बन जाए दास्तां, पलकें जो झुकी कहीं झुक जाए आसमां, पलकें जो झुकी कहीं झुक जाए आसमां, रब से पर्दा कीजिए, हाँ रब से पर्दा कीजिए, कहीं चुरा न ले चेहरे का नूर, ऐ मेरे हमनवा, ऐ मेरे हुजूर, ऐ मेरे हमनवा, ये दुआ है मेरी रब से, तुझे आशिकों में सबसे मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए, मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए। ये दुआ है मेरी रब से, तुझे आशिकों में सबसे मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए, मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए।